हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज भजन वाटवानी। वेलकम टू स्टॉक मार्केट बेस। आज हम क्वार्टरली रिव्यू करेंगे इक्विटा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक और प्रीकॉल के बिजनेस को। कैसे आए इस क्वार्टर के रिजल्ट्स, आइए देखते। अगर आपको इक्विटा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक और प्रीकॉल का बिजनेस एकदम A to Z जानना है तो हमने ऑलरेडी इस चैनल पे वीडियो बना के रखा है। आप डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाके क्लिक कर सकते हैं लिंक पे और देख सकते हैं, या फिर इस आई बटन पे जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वार्टरली रिव्यू ऑफ इक्विटा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक एंड प्रीकॉल। लेट्स सी द बिजनेस ऑफ इक्विटा स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ इट। Equitas Small Finance Bank, before acquiring small bank license, operated as a wholly owned subsidiary of Equitas Holding. It demerged from Equitas Holding in 2016. The holding entity started its operation in 2007 in microfinance and diversified into vehicle and housing finance. Going forward, let's see the financial highlights of Equitas Bank. The net interest income grew by 21% year-on-year and 3% quarter-on-quarter. Other income grew by 46% year-on-year. OPEX, that is operating cost of bank, grew by 23% year-on-year and 2% quarter-on-quarter. And provision probability of profit to assets stands at 3.53% for the quarter. ROA and ROE for the bank remains at 1.98%, which is slightly lower than previous quarter, and that is lower than 2%, and ROE stands at 14.44%. GNPA improved by 108 basis points to 2.38% in Q3 FY24 compared to 3.46% in Q3 FY23. NNPA also improved by 57 basis points year-on-year to 1.06%. If you want to know what is GNPA and NNPA, I have made the detailed video on this in my YouTube channel. You can check it out. Gross slippage stands at 3.99% for Q3 FY24 as compared to 5.03% in Q3 FY23. Let's see the business updates. It added the 7 new branches during Q3 FY24 across AP, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It also has used car advances grossed 1,000 crore during Q3 FY24. It also launched an app for selfie loans, that is mobile app for borrowers that helps the borrowers to have good customer experience and enable customers to apply for new loans. Moving ahead, let's see the key ratios of the bank. The cost of funds is 7.36%, that is slightly higher than previous quarter. It is also because of the interest rate that is going higher and higher in India. Net interest margin is also lowered to 8.37%. Cost to assets have been a little bit lower as well. ROA, as discussed, is lower and all the ratios are resilient. Let's see the business segments of the bank. Mostly the portfolio of Equitas Bank is in secured hands, that is they cater mostly to housing finance, vehicle finance, while it also has a microfinance and small business loans. While in this quarter they have been focused on vehicle finance and commercial loans as well. Microfinance, they have GNPA of 3.26%, small business loans have 1.76%, MSC finance they have 7.73%. Let's see the concall highlights and guidance of the management in this quarter. What the management saying is they have guidance of 25% growth over medium term and 8% net interest margin for this financial year. They have the target of this. And ROA of 2.25% to be achieved by the end of the financial year. For cost to income, major investments directly to affordable housing finance and personal loans. And with no other branch expansion. While their capex of 200 branch will be live in this quarter as well, they can have extra income till next quarter and next year as well. Because of high interest rate, there is more retail deposit and term deposit, which give good returns on net fixed term basis. for the customers than on saving basis, that is CASA. Let's see the credit deposit ratio. The credit deposit ratio has been down to 85% from 91%. Management avoids sacrificing NIMs for top line growth, maintain a focus on high yield products. There was increase in terms of slippages as well due to floods in Tamil Nadu, especially impacting vehicle finance and microfinance. Credit cost currently standing at 1.56%, which is slightly higher than management was guiding. Also, they have guided for 1.25% for this financial year. If interest rates remain stable, net interest margin will improve marginally due to rising advance yields. Let's move to the another business, that is Pricol. The key highlights of Pricol is that they have a good revenue from operations, that is 21.6% on quarter to quarter basis. EBITDA, that is earning before interest, depreciation, tax and exhortation in this quarter stands at 12.5% and has grown by 34% quarter on quarter. They have also made key product launches in this quarter, which they have announced in previous quarters of companies like Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors, Dalmir and many more. These are the driver information systems that were being laid down in cars. These were some of the products. Moving ahead, business updates. Management is saying that because of the Red Sea issue, the logistics time has gone up by a couple of weeks, and they have rerouted the raw material that is needed for Pricol through another routes. Exports stand at 10% of overall revenue, and there is slowdown in US and Europe, and recovery can come from next financial year onwards. Exports has been slowed down for many companies, and Pricol is very good in domestic market. Pricol is working on another product, that is Equitas solutions, with an undisclosed major OEM and launch likely by FY26. Their top customers are TVS, Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj, Royal Enfield, Honda, Tata Motors and many more. Going forward about the concall highlights and what the management is guiding for this quarter and the upcoming financial year. Pricol is trying to move from product-based companies to service-based companies, as service-based solutions have better margins compared to product-based. Electronic cluster is increasing compared to instrument clusters that I have shown in the business updates of Pricol, and they have a higher margin of value chain. Order book is healthy, and they are guiding for 3,600 crores of revenue by FY26, and it is very sure management is very confident that they can achieve this by FY26. There are a number of products being worked upon which could cater to guidance by Q4 FY25. Many questions were asked in Pricol's concall, and one of the questions that was asked was, what about the business mode of Pricol? Below is the management answering the question, that is 4.5% of revenue spent on research and development from last 5 to 7 years. In-house machine building, that is backward integrated model. They have own tools, own lines, own plastic injection and many more tools that is needed to manufacture a driver information system and equipment and many more. Exclusive tie-up with many manufacturers and have long-term contracts with them. Industry is moving from mechanical to digital to TFT to high-end digital information system. This helps in increase in kit value, that is the product kit value, and Pricol is innovating in this segment and is in the sweet spot to capture the market. तो ये था क्वार्टरली रिव्यू ऑफ Equitas स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक एंड Pricol. कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो, शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ और लाइक बटन को दबाना मत भूलिए, सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिए. तो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग.